baby. Hey, what you doing?
She almost hit her head.
What you doing? You ready? Yeah, this might be the new one.
That's the new one. He recognizes those things from going to the aquarium. I'm scared. Good boy. I trust you. Do you have a horn?
What? Do I have what?
Yeah, a horn. You do.
Hey, my baby.
It is a bachelorette party. Oh my gosh, that building's for sale. I don't care how shitty it is. That's
Say hi.
amazing. Say hi.
My babies. My babies. Wow. Margot, what are you doing,
She
baby?
got brave.
You just gonna walk right up front?
She did. She just walked up front like, hey. She won't do it. She's like, wow.
You're getting comfortable now. You're getting comfortable now, huh? Just walking around.
My goodness.
This girl. Margot. You mean to mama? Huh?
I feel like I smack her a little bit. Smack her.
Say hi, my baby.
Do the thing.
Good thing.
Do the thing. No? Okay.
Margot. Do you see it? Look at the size of this shit. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Look at mama. Margot, have fun. Her first time on a boat. You have fun? Yes.